Hey everyone. Well, different day, different project. I searched for a heater for this GMC and I find a heater box, and the heater core is not going to be good, and it kind of needed motor, so you're looking at least $300 or $400 and a lot of fiddling around and ordering and stuff like that. So instead, I got cheap. I cheaped out. I did. I got this little piece of crap. It was like, it's just under $50. Brand new. Comes with these 4 little hoses that'll stretch out. You know, so you got couple for defrost, a couple for floor heat. It doesn't draw outside air. I could probably fiddle around with it and make it, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to plumb it up, hook it up real quick, so I have some kind of heat in there for right now. Nothing fancy. I got it hooked up to the battery here, or a battery here, so I can fire it up. It's got a pretty good little fan. Nothing spectacular, but it'll put out. I imagine if I close one of these, which I think I probably will do. No, I just cut it off. No defroster switch or anything like that. Whatever is on is on and off is off. For the money, I can't complain. Now I got to figure out some way to see which way I'm going to put this in here. Now I was going to start in the door glass, but I don't have the, what don't I have? Oh, this rubber for the wing window here. I haven't got that yet. So I'm still waiting on it. Last I heard it's somewhere in Oregon, so hopefully I have it sometime next week. What are you gonna do? I don't really want to tear into that until I have all the parts and pieces. I have most of them. Look at that, even got mouse nest down there. Haven't even cleaned that out yet. Neato. Now I did order some gas filler neck hose, because my plan is, get you in here, my plan is to put my glove away. My plan is to take this filler neck here, run it straight through under there. So as of right now, my plan is I'm going to take this filler neck, run it straight through here, so it'll be inside the fender well, make it turn. Then I'm going to use this original filler neck. I have 2 of these. I need more crap in a way. And I'm going to have this one come out, I don't know, probably somewhere like that. That's what I'm thinking. I'll get an original style grommet like it's on the door right there. Maybe I'll steal that one. Maybe I have one on the other truck. So this comes up, put a gas cap on it, call her good. I know a lot of guys put them in the bed, but I don't want it in the bed because it takes up room. And the bed's small enough. I want to be able to use this truck. If I want to carry a piece of plywood in there, I don't have to play around with burying the gas cap. I know putting a gas cap in the bed of the truck, that's easy. All you gotta do is turn it up and you're done. But that's not convenient. Okay, so this is up underneath the dashboard. This panel here comes off for the original heater. There's a grill on the outside of the truck. Right there. That's for fresh air into the cab. Yeah, that'll be way better. And I'll look for collecting those parts and pieces so I can get a better heater in here. But this is a cheapie, and it'll work for right now. Or this spring. Or maybe I won't find anything. Hitting the swap meets to all this, this coming year. So, Now the heater hoses come in down here somewhere. That's one heater hose. Maybe it only had one. Oh, I think that's where the heater control valve went or something. So I put that like that. I'm gonna have the heater hoses come in that hole or around there. We're doing one like that. And the hoses come up and around to the, that's not cool, to the defroster. Maybe I'll pull this case off and see if I can bore other holes in here. Maybe I can direct the air in a different direction. It's cheap. I really don't care if I cut it up. Might even make a new box for it. That's an option. Okay, so I rethought my plan. I was thinking about moving that ductwork so it worked a little better, but I think, wait a minute, this is a $50 heater. It's cheap. It's probably going to either burn out, leak, or whatever. It need to be replaced fairly soon. So there's no point in getting crazy with it. So I stuck it there. That's where it's going, right there. It'll come out easy. I can, if I want to, I can put a 90 on this and point it down here more and blah, blah, blah. I can play around with it later. There's the power. I'll hook up to a switch, something like that. So I covered one of the holes, which was stupid. So I'll just bring the heater hoses in here, doink, doink, up into the heater core and be done. Why make it complicated? All right, there we go. There we go. All installed. Drill the hole. I put a brass 90 down here, so they're not a little better transition going through the firewall. Got my firewall insulation up. This is the switch they give you. Yeah, I'm not using that. Yeah. I got a regular on-off switch. It's not even written in English. And the little bit of English it is written in is spelt wrong. So, yeah, I'm not using that piece of crap. The heater's enough. But there's the install, nice and simple. I can put the hoses on there and run them around whatever I want to do, or nothing. I can do that later. There's no rush. But the cooling system's complete. Okay, I did get my door seals. All this rubber. It's got a, see that? See the dovetail here? That's supposed to go in the channel. It runs all the way around the doorway. I don't know how that's going to work out. You're supposed to just slide it in, this groove here. I'm pretty sure that's not going to work. This groove here, that dovetail is supposed to go in there. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up all the way around so I could fit that in. And then I'll go around and pinch that back closed again to hold it in place. I think that's the only real way to do it that makes any sense. I tried sliding it, and it's not going to happen. Wind lace, they call it. Goes all the way around the door. Goes all the way around the door, rubber. It came out all right. It comes in contact with the door when you close it. Now, it's tough to put in, I'll tell you that. Let me show you on the other side. Now, I tried soaping it up to get it to slide in there, And you can get it to slide a little bit, but anywhere it's rough or anywhere it's bent, especially around this tight bend up on top, it's not going to do it. So what I ended up doing is this lip here, I ended up bending out so I could slip that in there and get the other side in a little easier. Even using soap, it's a tight fit. It just fits. I wish I'd put this in before I put the headliner in, but I didn't. I probably spent 3 hours on the other side getting that one done. And it came out good. It's in. And it goes all the way around. Get it in, tuck it in the dashboard there. Back behind the dashboard. That's fun. Like over here. Back in there. That's nuts. But I'll do battle with this one. I'll let you know how it comes out. So I've been trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this gas filler. Because what I want to do, get my coat out of the way here. Because the gas tank's in the back now, coming out here. I'm going to come straight through here underneath and come out over here someplace. But I want to use that original filler neck. So here's my plan. So I pulled that out of there. And my plan is to have this old GMC horn button. It's pretty rusty, it's pretty crusty. I think I'm going to put that there. What do you think? I think it'll be pretty fitting for the truck. Well, there's the finished product. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. Okay. So this is for the filler neck. Pull the fender off. All right, now I have to clean that up, obviously. Or something like that. I think that's going to work. Hazel, you're in the way. I don't need to cut the whole thing out, but I can certainly just drill another hole right next to it. I've been working on this gas filler neck, just about got her set up. A little more rubber hose than I would like, but I think it's going to work. Laid out the hole in the fender. Now I just got to get it up in place. All right, there we have it. Gas tank complete. That's one sexy gas cap there, isn't it? Yeah. I got to put some kind of brace down below, hose clamp or something like that to keep it in place. But that's last. All right, onward and upward. All right, well, I got a bunch of miscellaneous stuff done. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I sure do appreciate everybody watching. Really appreciate the comments. Like and subscribe if you would. If not, it's cool too. Thanks for watching. Take care.